Hello everyone, welcome to Test Digest. Today we are going to discuss a trick for solving trial balance. We will remember a series of some words that will allow us a medium to remember what comes in the credit side of a trial balance. So here we go. SLC, Bro C, D square, Rapi whole cube. So we'll remember this. Now we'll write the formula for this. S stands for sales, L stands for loan from bank, C stands for capital. Again, B stands for bank overdraft, R stands for rent from tenant, also known as rental income, O stands for outstanding expenses, and C stands for creditors, also known as suppliers. Now D square. D stands for discount on purchase and the other D stands for discount from suppliers, where both the D stands for almost the same thing. Now we'll go for Rapi Q, where the R stands for received, the other R for recovered, and the other R for reserve. Now A stands for apprenticeship, the other A for appreciation, and the final A for advance income. Similarly, we'll go for P. P stands for payable, another P for provision, and the other P for profit. Similarly, for I stands for investment interest, and the other I stands for interest on fixed deposit. Similarly, the other I stands for interest on drawing. So if you remember these formulas, SLC, Bro, C, D square, Rapi cube, I don't think you will have a problem to fulfill a trial balance in the credit side. So if you fill it in the credit side, you can easily fill the other things in the debit side. So all the best for your exams. Good luck. So, and if you have any other problems in any other chapters and subjects and queries, you can contact me in the comment section. I'll try to give my best to fulfill your problems. So like, share and subscribe if you like the video.